Hello everyone, here I am back again with another exciting branded bra review. This time I came up with one story. So my little sister was a bit worried. Again the same problem. What to choose a bra? She's a growing woman, so she needs something supportive, something which gives her a fuller look, an illusion of a fuller look, which gives her a perfect size as well. So I gone to the Amazon, I ordered something from Lingerie, and this is the perfect bra which I have suggested her. She wore this and she had such an amazing experience that she shared with me. It was giving her a perfect size, it was giving her a perfect comfort as well. It was such a class look and so comfort free. So now she's a growing woman. She doesn't want to go through all these hook size. It's a front clasp open which is easy to wear and it doesn't have wires, so she doesn't need to go through all that discomfort that we have been going through. So that's why I've suggested something from Lingerie. Front clasp, easy to wear, fuller look illusion, so perfect for all these little sisters. So all my little sisters, I just want to recommend this to you. Go ahead and buy this from Lingerie. To all my little sisters and little girlies, do not forget to buy this from Lingerie because it gives you a fuller body look illusion. It gives you a fuller cup illusion as well, as this is for someone who is going through as body issues and want to just go ahead and look up as an illusion of a bigger size. So it can give you that. It can make life hassle free because it have a front clasp which gives you such a perfect cup size illusion as well. So this is for something that our little sisters go through, which have school, college, they need to go through so many changes and they are running here and there. They do not want to change the bras, but what bra, t-shirt bra, daily wear bra. So what I suggest is have this bra, just one bra for all the outfits. So that's why I recommend to all my little sisters, to all your little sisters, Lingerie front clasp bra. This is my recommendation. So go ahead, check this out, let me know how do you like it or not. So for this video, this is the review for a front clasp bra. And do not forget to like, comment and share to the video. Till the next video, bye bye.